I was just a couple months out of law school. I was 25 years old, and it was a first offense drunk driving jury trial against a local attorney. And I prepared and prepared and prepared, and maybe that was, I just spent a lot of time on it, and I had a big diagram, big blow up for my closing, and it was just, on a little first offense drunk driving case. It ended up, I ended up winning the case, and it was just a matter of preparation. And I think once you sit down in that courtroom and you've done the work and you know your case well, the nerves go away and you just execute. And I would really just recommend any attorney who's looking to do trials for the first time that maybe is nervous about it, you are most nervous when you're preparing. Once it starts and you've done your work, it flows. My name is Andrew Weir. I'm an associate in the Racine and Kenosha office of Habush, Habush & Rotier. Previous to that, I was a prosecutor in the Racine County District Attorney's Office for 5 years. At the DA's office, I did probably 20 jury trials, and in the last 18 months at Habush, I've had the opportunity to be involved with about 5 jury trials. I think a number one key to that is find a good mentor who does trial work. Everyone in every office knows the partners who do more trials or less trials. When I was in the DA's office, there were people who did more trials than others, and I would gravitate towards them and offer to help them out and do some work on the file and make yourself invaluable. And that way you can also glean from that mentor. I have a great one in Racine, Steve Botso. He does trials all the time, and he's been invaluable to me in terms of helping teach what to do in jury trials. The biggest key is knowing what evidence comes in and what doesn't. And I think that helps you know your case, and that builds confidence that trial isn't this unknown, anxiety-ridden thing. I mean, it's something that you know your case well, and you know better than other people in that courtroom. So if you sit down and you look at your evidence and you get ready to do the direct exam of your witnesses, you can sit down and know exactly how your evidence is coming in. And I think that helps relieve any stress of any unknown or any anxiety, and you can just execute the plan that you have, and that builds confidence.